Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Weight loss journeys are difficult as is. For those with so-called lazy lifestyles and habits, it can be extra hard because that motivation can only get you so far before you're slipping back into old, comfortable routines. If you're a lazy person and yet you want to lose weight, follow these amazing weight loss hacks that actually work. Number 10, dancing as a hobby. Do you like dancing? I do very much, and I dance as often as I can, multiple times a week. Dancing is a sure way to help you keep fit and healthy. You don't have to be a professional dancer or learn the best, most difficult dance moves before getting up and breaking it down. To make dancing enjoyable for me, I play my favorite songs on my stereo and follow the rhythm of the songs with my body. And sometimes I even sing along. Also, when dancing, remember to wear comfortable clothes. Make sure that you look for a large space in your home to dance around. If your sitting room is small, you might hit your hands or legs on the chairs, so be sure to move them out of the way. While dancing, try to move all parts of your body. Dancing is good because it can brighten your mood when you're feeling low. It can even help you shed a few pounds. You too can make dancing your hobby. Number 9, make a detox drink. Hack number 9, prepare a detox drink. To purify and totally remove all accumulated waste, I recommend this special detox drink made out of lime juice and cucumber. All you'll need for this special detox beverage is simply lime juice and some cucumbers. In order to prepare it properly, squeeze out all of the lime juice, slice up the cucumbers into small round pieces, and add it into the glass that already contains your lime juice. Add a little bit of water to dilute the lime juice. If you prefer your beverages chilled, you can add some ice. Take this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You can use this detox drink up to 3 times per week to get maximum benefits. Tip number 8, make sure to drink water. People say water is the key to life. The truth is, without drinking water, you wouldn't last long at all. To live a healthy life, I make sure that I drink up to 3 liters of water each day. I know it sounds a lot, and at first it wasn't easy for me. I started with filling 3 glass cups with clean water every morning. I then added ice into the glass cups because I like my water cold. After the ice dissolved, I drank all 3 glasses of water. Drinking enough water helps to keep you hydrated and even leaves your skin looking nice and moisturized. If you continue this routine, you'll soon begin consuming more than 3 liters of water each day, and you'll see plenty of health benefits. Tip number 7, exercise less. I know that exercise is good for the body, but trust me, too much of it is bad. Some people do strenuous activities on the body for long periods of time each day. If you're guilty of this, I would recommend exercising a little bit less. You can just do simple exercises like jogging and waist stretching. Jumping is also nice because it helps to train the leg muscles. You can clap your hands while jumping to condition your shoulders. Although we're all very busy, one thing you should avoid doing is randomly exercising. You'll want to set a routine for yourself. You can set 3 to 4 days a week aside to shake things up and make sure that you stick to that routine. This is an easy way to remain physically fit and healthy. Tip number 6, Wear your gym clothes around the house. Now, why would wearing comfy clothes like this be a good idea? Basically, it's because you'll be ready at any time to jump into a workout routine. It's easy for me to jump around in my comfy clothes and get more physically active during the day than when I wear regular outfits. Wearing gym clothes around the house every day helps me burn fat, and I remain fit. Tip number 5, eat spicy foods. Eating spicy food is good for you, and this is another easy way to remain fit. Spicy foods such as pepper helps to remove body fats. Whenever I cook, I make sure that I add ingredients such as green peas, ginger, garlic, and other spices. Not only do they make your foods sweet and spicy, they also provide nutrients to the body in order for you to stay fit and trim. Tip number 5, eat often, but in smaller portions. Rather than eating one large portion of food at once, it's better that you eat your food in smaller portions, up to 6 times per day. I like to space out my meals every hour and 30 minutes or so. So if I begin eating at 9:30 in the morning, I'll have my next meal by 10:30 in the morning, and subsequent meals following the time sequence. Doing it this way makes my meals more easily digestible. Tip number 3, eat your food slowly. Chew your food slowly and gently to ensure a healthy lifestyle. If you rush through eating your food, it might not get properly digested in your stomach. Even if you're in a hurry, avoid chewing your food quickly. Instead, suspend the eating for a later time when you'll be less busy. Tip number 2, drink water before meals. Before you start eating your food, fill your glass cup with water and drink it. I like this hack because it keeps belly fat away. When you drink water before meals, your appetite for food actually reduces and you eat lesser quantities of food. In addition, water helps the food digest better so you don't get constipation or bloating. Continue this routine for at least 2 weeks to get profound results. Our number 1 tip, eat your food on smaller plates. If you're offered 3 plates of food with different sizes, which one of them would you go for? The biggest plate? That would be wrong. Always eat food from a smaller plate. A smaller plate means that you'll eat smaller quantities of food, and then you won't grow fat or out of shape. If you want to keep it fit easily, then give this hack a try. I hope you found these tips to be useful. Let us know in the comments down below if you decide to implement any of these tips into your daily eating routine. Also, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching.